Morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Williams. Hope you've been having a great week. I wanted to do a literacy lesson for you to just go over what you should be working on this week. We have our sight words. Hopefully you can see them. We have the word 1, 2, 3. So make sure that you look at how they're spelled. THREE for 3, TWO for 2, and ONE for 1. And so these are number words. Also, we use 2TO when we're writing sentences. Sometimes you write TOO, but make sure when you're talking about the number that you're using TWO. So these are our high frequency words, sight words. Sometimes people call them popcorn words. So we have 1, 2, 3. So make sure you practice and remember these words to help you with your reading. Next, we have our new letter, one of our new letters this week. We have H. We have a picture of a hat, and we have the word hat. And so it's a CVC word. We have consonant, vowel, consonant. So we have H, A, T. And if we were to sound it out, it would be a, t, hat. So we'd have hat. So we have a picture of a hat for letter H. I also have helicopter. Here's what the letter H, capital uppercase letter looks like. Here's the lowercase h. Then we have a picture of a helicopter. Then we have the word helicopter, and we see the H at the beginning of the word. The sound is just like hat and helicopter. Be thinking of other words that have the sound or that start with letter H. Next, we have a paper to practice, and let me make it a little smaller for you. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. First, we have the letter H. It's a consonant, so it makes one sound. We have CVC words on the left, and then they have the letter H that they want us to change the word to. So see if you can figure out what the word is if we were to put H here. And since you're at home, you can use your journal and write the word and then try to sound it out. So I have the word cat, and if you put the H here, what would the word be here? So it would be at, hat. Next one, id, read. If we change the first sound or the initial sound to the H and we had id, what would the word be now? So we would have id, hid. Next one, b, t, b, t. And sometimes you may have to say it over and over to see if you can figure out the word. So this one was but. If we have the H here, and we had hut, and if you notice, they rhyme. So these are rhyming words. So all you have to think about is changing the first sound. Let's do one more. It, sit, and then we have it. So let's change the first sound. We have H, the sound is, so we have it, so that word is it now. So we have here, we have some more words, and you change in just the first letter or the first sound. And so just pause your video and see if you can finish figuring out the rest of the words. Let your parents let you try by yourself first, and then they can help you and check your work with you. But practice and try to sound out all the words. You can use your journal to write down the word and then try to sound it out to see how many you can get right without your parents' help first, so that you can be independent readers. This will really, really help you. Next, I have our game, and it's Sound Rainforest. So I'm going to show you pictures, and we're going to see where we put them. Okay, so we have a hen, and then this one has a line through it, so it says no hen. So what they want us to do is to listen for the like hen, and then if it doesn't have the, then it doesn't have the H sound, and so we put those in this box. So let's practice. First one, hug, hug. We got that one right. Next one, shelf, shelf. And you're listening for, so does that one make you open your mouth? Okay, next one, zigzag. Z. Is it saying? And I'll give you a few minutes to guess where you think the picture should go before I move them. Let's do this one. 7, 7. And we're listening for. Okay, hair, hair. Hippo, hippo, or hippopotamus. Hope you're getting the pictures in the right spot and guessing the correct answers. Jar, j, j, jar. And we're doing the beginning sound for, but when we say j, j, jar, we don't hear that. H sound. Hammer, hammer. Hand, hand. And if you're not sure, you could do hand, hammer. Let's see what this one is. Hospital, hospital. Oh, almost put it in the wrong spot. Horse, horse. Starts, it has the same sound as in. And the last one, heel, heel, heel. And, uh, and hopefully you got all the pictures correct. You can always rewind and practice again, making sure you know all the pictures that have the H sound, okay? Okay, here's your workbook pages to work on. You're going to find things that start with H and circle them. You can also clap the syllables like horse and do horse, house, house. So you can clap the words, and those are syllables for words. And count how many times you had to count them or clap. Next we have, I can get it to line up. On this page you have to circle things that start with H. You have the capital H. It shows you exactly how to write it correctly and nice and neat. Then you're going to practice 2 more times. Remember to circle everything that starts with H on this one. Then on this one, we're going to do the CVC words. You're going to match the word with the pictures. They did hat for you. You have ham and hop. And you're going to practice writing the CVC word only one time this time on these lines. So make sure you practice. If it's a sky letter, it usually touches the top blue, goes all the way to the ground. And then this is the next letter, which is letter L. So just in case anyone is doing this one is leg, leaf, cup, lock, bowl, and they're doing the last sound as well. Bowl, heel, kite, and bell. So I'll make another video for letter L, but just in case any of you got started, I was looking at some of the pictures and thinking, ooh, what is that? So I just wanted to go over those pictures just in case anyone's got started on letter L, and I'll be making another video for letter L lesson. And I will make another video and see you soon. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.